Welcome to Mel's channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you make oral rehydration solution at home. How can you make oral rehydration solution at home? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. Okay, so after making our oral dehydration solution, so this is this is a sample of our oral dehydration solution. So this solution, it is very beneficial for patients having diarrhea. So if you have diarrhea, you take this solution. This solution is very beneficial because, as we know, when a person diarrhea, he or she loses a lot of fluids. So this solution helps to replace the fluid in the body which is lost. So if you have diarrhea, make sure you take this solution, and it's very simple to make. Just take salt, just take your clean water, about 1 liter. Also, don't forget to take sugar. So just take 6 spoons of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt, and then you mix to 1 liter of clean water. After that, you stir. You're going to make your solution. But for patient having severe diarrhea, severe dehydration, it's very important for you to go to the hospital to seek medical help. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.